So this is the controller circuit build. And what we're going to do first of all is we're going to take U2, which is the Wemos D1, and its associated header pins, male and female. Then also C7, which is a 220 microfarad 10 volt capacitor, and C6, which is a 100 nanofarad capacitor. And what we do is we put the controller in this location here by soldering the two rolls of female headers, the C7 and C6 capacitors, and then we can fire it up and give it a test. So I have a little trick for installing these, and that is we put the female headers in first of all, then take the male headers, put them in as they would be when we're finished, and then we take the Wemos and place it the right way around, which is with the antenna facing the inside of the board, on top of the header pins. So place it on there. It's a bit fiddly. Go on, go on. Yep. No. Yep. Okay, we've got it. So that's in place. And what we're going to do now is we're going to solder a couple of pins on each of the headers to hold it into place. And what this does, this aligns then the header pins with the controller with the headers on the board. So one pin there, turn it around, do the other end. One pin there. Then we turn it over and we hold it down flat to make sure it's all sitting tight together. One pin there. Okay, and then the two on the other end. Alright, that's put all of the header pins in place. Take out the Wemos gently, and now we can solder in the rest of the pins. Okay, great. Now let's solder in C7, so with the white stripe going to the white semicircle. Hold it down. That's not down properly. Let's reflow it and press it down onto the board. Okay, the other pin. And now we put in the 100 nanofarad capacitor C6. Get in there. It's a bit fiddly. Okay, good. Bend the leads out, splay them out slightly to make sure the capacitor stays where it's meant to be, and solder that in. Okay, trim up. Get rid of the offcuts. Now we can take the controller and solder the rest of the pins in place. They're already aligned, so let's go. Now what we can do is we can power it up and see if we get the test pattern coming out. So put the controller in, make sure that the antenna goes onto the inside of the board and the USB micro connector is on the outside. It's important. We'll put some power onto it, so 9 volts. And we should see a pattern coming up. Oh, you can't see that, can you? We'll try that again. So reset the Wemos and we should have yellow, green, yes, yellow, blue. Perfect. So that's passed the test. Controller is in and we're good to go. We take the controller out for the moment while we solder the rest of the circuit.